I pause. 2.2. Congratulations, our strong leaders. Today we're celebrating the West Arsi Prezdential Award among all zone of Oromia region, truly remarkable. The incredible achievements of West Arsi third round award in 2024 or 2016 Ethiopian calendar. Let's start by recognizing the backbone of our success, the leadership and professionals who've dedicated themselves to making West Arsi shine. First up, heartfelt thanks to Mr. Mohammed Hussein, Mr. Asefa Tolesa, Mr. Mohammed Husheto, Mr. Gurma Yazo, Mr. Mogos Tefera, Mr. Dejena Milkisa, Mr. Arman Busa, Mr. Ferenjo Biftu, Mr. Siraj Ahmed, and Miss Makita Tira, other staff of the West Arsi Prosperity Party. Your tireless efforts in the Prosperity Party office have set new standards for excellence and dedication. And that's not all. Let's talk about the giants in agricultural development and natural resources. Dr. Abdullahi Becker, Mr. Ibsa Gemada, and young Masfin Kadir. Your innovative work has transformed our landscapes and boosted productivity like never before. Next, a round of applause for the heroes in education, Mr. Kesim Gemed, Mr. Hulasido, and young Awal Nagawa. Your commitment to nurturing young minds has paved the way for a brighter future. And let's not forget Mr. Edaso Burka, whose exceptional efforts have propelled the success of our government revenue development. Your work ensures that West Arsi continues to grow and thrive. Now, a special mention goes to Mr. Mohammed Gemadi and Mr. Kadir Tehir. Your contributions to public health have made West Arsi a safer, healthier place to live. Finally, a massive thank you to all the government sector leaders. Your relentless dedication to providing better services to our community has not gone unnoticed. West Arsi, your achievements are a testament to what can be accomplished when vision meets action and when leaders lead with heart and purpose. Congratulations to everyone involved. Let's keep this momentum going and continue to make West Arsi a beacon of progress and prosperity. Congratulations again, and thank you for your unwavering dedication. Until next time, stay inspired and keep pushing boundaries.
Let me